A better world is what makes innovation truly meaningful. Through the Solve for Tomorrow, we have inspired grades 8 to 10 students from public science high schools to develop technology-based solutions for real-world problems. This program promotes critical thinking, creativity, and teamwork through innovation. And since its launch, we have received hundreds of entries, each showcasing the brilliance and determination of Filipino youth. And for those who excel, Samsung awards not only cutting-edge devices, but also school grants, because we believe in investing in both individuals and communities. The Department of Education extends its heartfelt gratitude to all the students, teachers, and partners who have made this program a success. Your dedication and creativity remind us that the future is bright when we work together. Let us continue to innovate, collaborate, and create solutions that make